All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. It is Thursday, February 26th, and oh man, it's been rough. uh, you know, it's just a pattern though, man. It's totally a pattern. It's like you have these run-ups and that seeing it work, I don't know what, it just jacks it up. Like, bro, I went up 25R in 4 days, and what I added a play. Like in the midst of making that 25R, I'm looking at what I didn't get. And I'm like, oh, if I add this play, then I can really get to it. Like, bro, what are you doing? You just made 25R in 4 days trading 5-minute pullbacks, and now you want to add the orb. Okay. What's up, Pond? Micro Don, 3 Pony. Man. But anyway, here we are. Market's open. I missed my bell sound. What happened to my bell sound when the market opened? Man. But yeah. Losing's hard and winning's hard. This whole thing's hard. But we make it hard, you know. Wave Rider, what up, bro? BCRX getting hammered. I don't think he got any volume anyway. That thing got to get way up there to play with. Ion Q looks interesting. The daily's kind of buried, but I feel good up to 46. You know, I think that could happen. What up, Bobby? All right, I need to keep that in mind, Bobby. It's possible and very much okay to have a no trade day. It's possible and very much
OPRA
okay to have a no trade day. Look at Ion Q doing the dang on thing. Love to see it. What we got here?
WRBY.
Yo, Sin V, what's good, bro? Good morning. Let's see here. I forgot about this thing here. Yeah, we'll start that over. Dang, bro, calm down, Ion Q.
IONQ.
Funny, Sim. Yeah, that would be rough.
QBTS.
I thought that mug was gonna be lit off the 15, but patience. Yeah, BCRX just jumped off a cliff. QBTS. Got some news on that. Fourth quarter earnings on QBTS increased 179% year over year. Alrighty then, QBTS. Let's see what you got going on here, QBTS. Highs 2002. That ain't right. 2151. It's hard out here for it when you're trying to get that money for the rent. Is that possible? Let me see that happen. It could happen. the halt scanner up, huh? You thirsty? Bet.
PRMB.
Oh, look at that gap.
FENN. PENN. PENN.
GCT.
All right, this is one high. This is one high. Yo, Siege SPX. What up, brother? This looks pretty righteous right here.
NVAX.
Let's wait for the uptrend, though. Wait for the uptrend. What else we got?
NVAX.
And VAX. Ooh, look at that nice orb. Ooh, that's a nice orb. But we're done with those. Let's see here. That's all I'm doing, bro. I just can't believe how I just completely fell off of that. That's how it happened a long time ago too, man. I used to be hella big on levels.
NVAX.
And then I just stopped drawing them. Look, I love the level to level moves, man. Like, what a beautiful orb entry right here, and just sell it all out right there and wait. Now I'm gonna see the orb everywhere. It's gonna be haunting me. It's gonna be haunting me. My arch nemesis.
PENN.
BFLY. It ain't come up on my scanner though. Nah, cause it's below $5. Cheap. Cheap. Earnings. Okay. Reasonable flow. Mm-hmm.
NVAX.
Kind of horrid though. I can't see. This thing's in the way, bro. I'm gonna have to put that over there. This thing be in the way too. Ah, really? Man, I hope so, bro. Cause that Joker it's been since the 18th, man. It's been a long time. It's been a lot of trades. It's all been me though. It's all been me. Look at that patience not getting slapped right there. Do 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 do. Invax, QBTS, IonQ, FA,
WRBY.
GCT. That's a nice gap, but right up to resistance. It's got to get over 45. It's not too far though. So I'm just playing with my scanner, and now I got it to where everything it doesn't give me anything that's not day one news. So 10% gap, 5 to 50, day one news, and some other
NVAX.
some other stuff. NVAX is looking pretty nice right now. This might be the one. Look at the daily. We're over that level. We got room to 1154. Damn, what a nice orb, bro. Ugh, this is the best orb I've seen all week. Help me. Alright. These guys just gonna have to bear with me on the orb comments. I'm sorry. Nah, it wasn't because I have a $5 lower limit on my scanner. But I got it up now. It looks pretty good. Close enough. QBTS looks like garbage. What else we got? GCT. The gap is cool, but it's like right into resistance. There ain't much volume up there though. I'll throw some lines on it just in case I end up coming back. Yeah. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, man. What kind of levels we got on this guy? BFLY.
WRBY.
Nah, I didn't miss it. I'm not trading under that. Actually, I didn't swear to that, but yeah, I'm chilling. I'm waiting for some red to print. I'm chilling. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, them jokers is like ridiculously strong. I don't think I'm gonna catch it. And everything
PENN.
run without me. Yeah, I got it up. It just was my scanner limit is $5, so it didn't pop up on there. WRBY.
NVAX.
What's the news on that? Earnings.
PENN.
Yep. I mean, not. That's not why I didn't. I mean, I'm not. I'm not doing the orb right now. I'm putting a pause on that. It was just. Damn, it's such a good setup. But where's the heart rate? Oh, my bad. Are you entertained, Red? Man, I seen Ben, you here? I seen Eman Trading. I think is that his name? I don't know. That dude who be exposing fake traders. He posted a he posted I forget what the
ARHS.
trader's name was, but apparently he'd been selling courses for years and he don't make no money. He's not a profitable trader at all. I mean, surprise, surprise, but he posted a confession video and then deleted it, but of course, dude downloaded it, so he did a whole expose. Oh, that's rough. That's rough. All right, so a pullback here. I mean, we kind of need back down to VWAP, but do I even want it way
ARHS.
back there? This is high. Yeah, that one, Siege. Oh man, that was wild, man. You got a new course, Rob? uh, that's the way. Come on, put a new low in, man. I'll take it off of this high. What's this low? Just test the low. Low is 457, close is 62. There you go.
Order filled.
Hmm. Yeah, I'll take the shot though. It's got a nice level of support right there. This big wick, this high day move up right here. So this would be second pullback that I just bought. So this next high is it. So I'm getting out. Probably just looking for 486. And I'll probably take 80% if we get up there. And see what's popping. Although, I mean, it's looking like a 15-minute opening range breakout if it goes. Kind of got the same thing going over here on WRBY, but I told Rob I was going to trade one thing at a time today. And I was going to stand on that.
PENN.
Uh-oh, it's looking slapped. It's looking like a slap right there. What's it gonna be? I'm okay with this trade if it fails. I'm cool with taking off of the high of this opening range. And got my red candle print, got the low. So just give me 486. Ooh, look at that wall at 70 though. 115.
PENN.
11,500. Come on, 70, bro. Look at this. Oh, we took it out. Get out the way. Let's go.
ARHS.
Let's see. High a day is 76. Hopefully we squeeze right past 86 because 5 is right there. I mean, we might as well go to 5. You know what I'm saying? 5 is actually like the high volume.
PHAT.
503. But we should be in a little bit of a profit up here at 86. So we'll take some out for sure.
PENN.
And see what's popping. We're about to get the 5-minute orb, 15-minute orb right there. New high a day, up to 78. Come on, baby, push it on up there. Uh-oh. Yeah, I do. Patience. I'm gonna play a little defense today.
Order
BSY.
filled.
Let's go.
ARNS.
Come on, 5. Trey always got me with the chapter 7.
HPP.
Come on, 5. I'm chilling. Stops at break even. We got a little R in the bank. I really wanted to take a little bit out up there. I just, trying to get to that 5. We chilling though. I did say this is gonna be the top though. Come on, give me one more. No.
ENOV.
I think so too, Pond. It's so close, like mine as well. What's that looking like? Ugh, that's kind of nasty though. EMA touch 463. Yeah. Man, I wish I would have took another XE out of up there at 96. It's all good though. Process. Am I buying here? No, I'm at break even. I'm break even.
BSY.
I took profit and I'm break even. We chilling. We just seeing what's gonna happen. I feel like it's gonna want to touch the EMA and wick me, but it should hold though if it's gonna keep going. So I ain't tripping on moving my stop. And we can just reassess, you know. But I was expecting this because we got one high, two high, and I was expecting this to be the top. I just really wanted that $5 tap. Break even is not good. I got you. Break even is progress for me though, because I'm totally cool with keeping my original stop. You seen it, Bobby?
BSY.
Come on, man. Ah, yeah, look at that volume coming in. We can get another try, though. Where the double top at? That joker slammed, though. Yeah. I should have defended 486 better because I said I was going to take it all out there. It's all right, though. This might be it, though. Random rules.
Order filled.
All right. Got 1 R out of that. Now we wait for VWAP. Hey, bro, when you ain't seen a trade work in 30 trades, just getting the red arrow above the green arrow feels great.
WWW. BSY. AMPL.
Come on, man, give me a red print. Too much green. Too much green. I got you, Rob. But yeah, I mean, I'll get there. My idea was right that this was gonna be the high. This move off of this entry was gonna be it. And I just wanted 5, but I could have maybe moved my stop up to 486 once it broke over or something like that. But you know, I'm cool with that. I'm cool with you know, I came out green. I didn't it's one thing to want more and then lose what you got wanting more. And then I mean I guess you can say I lost what I got if I was up 2R and I finished with 0.9. But it's just these are elements in the process that I think are really good. So I'm chilling. Age can't escape the downtrend. I think you called the flush when I entered this trade over here on BFLI, sir. Sir Red. Yeah, yeah. What's this high? 68. Yeah, it's rough, Pond. Bro, I'm risking $2. I'm literally at level 1. Okay? I'm coming off of 30 losses in a row.
AMPL.
Okay? I just need to see some green today. Please. Okay? Come on, test this level one more again. Close 86.
FA. FA.
Order filled.
AMPL.
I'm holding this joint to 46. Where'd my candle go? Well, might be holding it to 40, 43. Nah, this is what I want, bro. We got the opening range right here. High volume top right there at 40, 68. We break above. First pullback. Candle makes a new low from this candle, and then we break back above the close.
AMPL.
I mean, that doesn't mean it's, perfectly going to work, but I'm totally cool with this entry. It's not extended. Kind of far from VWAP, but we're in a good spot. Sad to see it back under 40, though. 41. snappy. Snappy. No, it's grinding on the one though. Low is 49. Stop is 43. Yeah, these red, this triple red right here kind of sketch, but we gonna see.
FA.
Well, we're just trying this level to see if this top's gonna hold or not. If it don't hold, it don't hold, you know.
AMPL.
Man, WRBY was nice, man.
AMPL.
Boo boo doo. we gonna be all in chapter 7 this weekend, Trey. Nah, not yet, Pons. I will raise it up to this low though. That support level 467. We'll go 464. Hey, bro. See, it ain't about the size of the boat. It's the motion in the ocean. Let me see what you're saying. Yeah, it just ain't flexed. Okay, I see what you're saying. It's not gonna hold. Oh man. Too soon on the screenshot. But wait. You're right for sure. We'll see, HH. We've had our battles before. Act like you've been here before. Bro, it's been a rough week. But yeah, I'm gonna chill out. Act like I've been here before. That's hilarious. Y'all better buy that 41. Y'all better buy that 41. HH got a short. All right, buddy. You want to go to war with me? I know my track record is straight trash, though. It actually probably is an actually good bet to go short when I go long at this point. That's what's up, Pond. I don't see yet. I see uptrend on the one right now. I don't know what you talking about short. We making higher highs and higher lows on the one above the EMA. And it's looking pretty good at this point.
FA.
Is your stop 430, 4130? Oh yeah. I mean, ain't nothing to him. I think so too, Siege. I'm telling you, 46 in the house. In the house. Come on, man, just go up. All this stutter stepping, pump faking. Where you'll stop at, H? You give it some room. You can finally call the short kings. You need some reinforcements, bro. 35 coming soon. I'm telling you, Bobby. What a dub. I really wanted WRBY. It's a real chill uptrend grind going on right now. That's just super relaxed. That ain't good. This tape is really weird to me. Come on, baby. Give me that high at daybreak. Just rolling through these numbers like nothing. Roll to the upside. Yeah, I can't when uh-oh. She coming down, boys.
Order filled.
Womp womp. Womp womp. What's this low? 49. All right, you guys won that one. You guys won that one. Yeah, when that joint closed, what it closed at? 40.90. Time is it? 10:15. Yeah, I'm chilling. 1, 2,
FA.
that's 3 up there. FA. Did you really just call this out? All right. You dirty rat. What are we thinking here? Nice volume down there. Let's give it some time, though. You think so? It's gonna have to be. It's gonna take a minute, though. I mean, maybe down to 25. Yeah, this is a lower low, so we would need a high above 41.33 and probably a pullback to that same level too. So NVAC's about to touch 1154. This was the orb of the year right here. Look at this. Look at this risk to reward. $10.20 by $10.30, 10-cent risk on this orb right here. You just went straight up, bro. I'm muted. You guys can't hear me? Everything looks like it's going. Are you sure? I appreciate it, Bobby. I'm trying, man. Stupid doesn't make money very well. Stupid and emotional. See, here's one thing with the defense. This thing held my original stop. What's this low? Yeah, held original stop here. But I got to move it up after taking profit anyway, so I'm not mad about that.
ARHS.
Yeah, you got it, H. You got that one. You in red. My screenshot was premature. I should have waited for 42. Next time I'm waiting until I take profit. Invax, new high of day. After a little side consolidation for a little bit, pretty good. I wonder if it can break over and hold 54. It's really done a lot today though. That's probably gonna be a wrap up there at 54. Appreciate it, Bobby. I think I got a pretty decent read when I'm not emotionally involved. As with all things in life, I think emotions ruin everything. %90 sitting. Yeah. It's tough. Super tough. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Better than being down 5R on a bunch of stupid executions while my broker's over there rubbing his hands together like Birdman. Is it? Sheesh. I don't know, man. It's just like looking kind of deadish too, though. A little deadish. Yeah, it's open and ran so far already. It's that demo love. Always. It's a curious entry right there. Just be a price action entry though. Need that higher high, dog. What's this here? Over 75 and then a pullback. or over 86 in a pullback. Yeah, this thing is like frozen though. I really like it on the one. Over 66. Yeah, it looked like it want to be starting something. I just don't have like a. We got this little guy out here, little level action. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That looked kind of good.
Order filled.
This is 59. Go gadget extension. What are we looking like?
PRVA.
Order filled.
That ain't it. That ain't it. Yeah, I was thinking about that yesterday. Like, why not just get out when I get in something and I'm like, I don't know. Even though now it looks like it's about to go. Good exercise. Even if it goes, it's just not. It's not. It's not ideal. Yeah, it looked much better back down here to 25 or maybe 24.50, but really 25 should hold. Low volume on these two candles. Yeah.
BSY.
I think BFLY is going to go again though, Pond. What time is it? 10:28. Yeah, I'm not. I needed to break up and pull back. Either 76 or 86. I honestly would like it to go to like 89 and then pull back to 75, something like that. But yeah, that part.
BSY.
Bentley. 29% year over year. And they low on the daily. Pretty good investment. That looks like a pretty good investment. Damn, look at that on the 5s. Ain't got no volume for real. Okay. Okay. Got the break of 76. That would be the higher high if we're looking at this little guy as a high. You know, a little bounce, a little lower high. Higher low, higher high.
BSY.
It'll be impressive if this thing. Yep, sure do. Little help to keep me out of there. Hold on one second. Yeah. All right, I'm back. I really hope it breaks. That's crazy. My original stop held though. That's gonna bother me a lot. But maybe it shouldn't. Maybe it shouldn't. I mean, I do have stop rules though. Market just said, hold my beer. Did it? Okay, we out of my little trend line. 10-10 closing candle. Yeah, that's too scary for me. That's hilarious. Yeah, I definitely get that. Invax was so sweet, man.
PHAT.
PHAT. Pretty hot and tempting. Hilarious. Yeah, it was good to see, man. It was good to see. We've been wanting to see them executions for a long time, Rob. Appreciate you posting those. Man, good job, bro. Good job not taking a RL on this dumb trade. Pat on the back. Now. I'm waiting, Brock. Hope we can get a red print. It's a lot to ask. We can just get a chill red 5-minute candle. Back down to 76 maybe. That would be pretty cool. I like this volume that came in after these two low volume reds. Nice move up. I kind of wanted it to break 86 though, or what's this, 89? Yeah. Man, Invax was cold-blooded. Ah, that was it right there, bro. It was right up against resistance though. I couldn't take that. But this entry right here is pretty solid. Risk to reward wise for sure. But I wouldn't want to take it right up against my level like that. But it's such a slow grinder. It don't look like anybody cares about that level. This look like an orb right here.
GTN.
Yeah, Invax looks great. It's so up there though. Okay, go on and tap HCTI. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. But if it keeps going, I don't mind taking another one. It's just, it does look super high though. really wanted it to break that. What is that? 89, 86. Just another tap to the EMA at 40.76 and we'll be good to go. She looked like she ready to run though. I don't think it's as uncertain as you think, Red. I think the market repeats patterns every day. Every day. WRBY making a new high.
MAN.
Man, I just want to take that, bro. Six. Give me some red, bro. Man, that 15 gave it real nice. Boom, 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 boom. All right, there's the move up to a lot sitting there at 88. Golden goat. What's going on, man? Better? Yeah, baby green, but it's a lot better than big red. Just been more patient. I took out the opening play so that I could sit back and let the market show me its hand a little more before I start jumping in. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I wish I'd have taken my idea to take it all out at 486 up here, but I always I'm definitely an hopeful, a more hopeful trader than a fearful trader, so I'm always hoping for the continuation. But I defended my break even, so got a half R out of that, or one R out of that. And I almost hit the button again when it popped up to 96, but I was just waiting for a little bit closer to 5. It's all good. The opening 5 minute. The big ones, the big moves. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking for trending stocks, and I'm hoping to catch a good move from at least one level to the next. You know, opening candle 4 million, 4.6 million on the 5 minute. Yeah, that's really what it is in a nutshell. Just wait. Yeah, I'm gonna be mad.
Order filled.
11, 10:30. That's crazy. I thought about you too. It is just this candle just closed green at the very last moment, man.
PHAT.
Caution. The caution flags are out. I'm actually gonna be mad that I didn't take this one, but I want to see if it'll come down a little more to 70. Yeah, this is the one I was literally waiting for, and it's pretty much doing exactly what I wanted it to do. Invax just seems like a better quality mover, but they're both really up there already. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna sit through some pullback for this. Nah, Pond, look at my list. It's there. This is a daily level. Or did I throw that up there because of the high day? Yeah, no, that's my 1154. Yeah, that's this big top right here. Damn it, BFLY is the one I really
PHAT.
wanted.
Order
So
filled.
bad, bro. Missed the dang entry.
Order filled.
Taking that. No, I didn't stop out. Well, I stopped out at Ion Q. But I left. I left Invax and I left WRBY. I reallocated my funds.
N of EN.
Damn, bro.
PHAT.
The idea's been pretty fire though. Right over my line.
PHAT.
Yeah. Yeah. I thought about that a lot yesterday. Just all the times that I've been in a stock and analyzed it after my entry and felt like, man, this ain't really where I want to be at. But, you know, it's always like we here now type of attitude when it don't need to be like that. I can literally just get out, you know? So I'm kind of enjoying that. It's definitely a mental battle because like if it works, then I'm gonna be like, oh, why did you do that, bro? You were right there. Your idea was perfect. But it's all good. What is the exit strategy? Well, I don't see much. Let's make one up. I mean, I trade the same way every day. Well, let me not say that. I play the chart. You know, I sell through the levels that make sense to sell through, and kind of. I guess I'm a little more fluid on the sell side. It's kind of like, let's see where it goes. But I'm definitely, you know, looking for 5. And if we get over 5, though, it could get really crazy. But it's already done a lot, you know. Get out when it looks weak, yeah. Looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice.
N of EN.
Let's see what happens. Yeah, I took a lot of influence from Best Loser Wins. And yeah, that part, Siege. What do you mean stop using words like if? Isn't this all if then statements that we're doing here? If this, then that. Look at that, boy. Boy. Boy, I seen it. Gotta believe. Gotta believe. Ah, bye humbug, man. Normally, I would have just been in both of them and it would have been all good. Nah, I'm talking about missing out on Invax. Jumping
Order
out of.
filled.
Wow. Well, that wasn't very nice. Jeez. All right, then. Got out of a blue sky uptrend for. Oh, yeah, I was tripping. I was tripping. Got out of a blue sky uptrend. D-Zam. D-Zam. Almost had it. Almost had it. Nah, I don't. That was weird. Manipulation. 85% rule says I jump right back in. uh, it's not just like taking a higher day break though. Like this level 1154. Look at this level right here, bro. That's this line right here.
N of EN.
And from that line, like we got some room, you know what I mean? I mean, you got this little wick here, but it ain't got no volume on it. So 1154, super nice level, right? On the daily. It's grinding. No sellers in sight. We break 1154. What do we close at? Closed a cent over 1155. And then we get the hammer time pullback, gets bought up, and I buy it over the level. And it continues up. Pond, this is my trade, bro. It's literally written down. I got it. Where's my thing at, bro? Where's my thing at? Bro, this wouldn't have been a home run. I mean, it's almost there, but I'm about to jump back in this, bro. No, I'm not. Nah, I'm done. I am done. Nah, that is not a bro. I'm totally standing on this. I know it's a breakout, but I really wanted this candle to hold red so then I could buy the close. I still bought the close, but it was the green close, not the red close. You know? I know it's a breakout. That's what I said. I mean, it's a higher day breakout.
PRVA.
Because, I mean, I get that part. But the setup is there, bro.
N of EN.
This is a major daily level. You're not finna make me feel bad about this trade. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It is a higher day breakout. I don't think, did I have the higher day price though? I mean, I was buying the break of this candle, not that one. I really don't have a problem with higher day breaks right now. I'm not trading small caps anymore. Do I feel comfortable? I mean, usually my heart rate goes up and, you know, it's a pretty intense moment. Bro.
N of EN.
Okay. This is what I sent to you, Bond. 5-minute pullback to previous high volume, high day, or daily support level. Strong move over said level, pullback to previous high volume high or daily level. Same rules of the pullback. All right, I guess it's debatable whether that was a strong move up over, but significant volume on this move over the level, right? Strong move over, 5-minute pullback. This candle was red like to 5 seconds before the candle closed. So this was a 5-minute pullback, and it was so strong it closed above the level. Like that's not it. Yeah, I'm down with that. Let's do a poll.
N of EN.
I'm not saying it's not. I know the entry is high a day, but all right. Poll is up. That I would be Billy again, Trey. I knew it was coming too. Poll is up. Am I tripping about this? If I have a setup for a break over and retest of a daily support level, is this violation? I showed y'all the support level. This line right here is from this big old wick right here. Okay. Right. High of that is 1155. Okay. 1155. We're chilling, consolidating, right? We break over the I really wanted it here, but I'm like, I'm not gonna buy it right underneath the level. So it breaks over, closes at the level 1155. Next candle drops down and gets bought back up and closes at 59. Bro, I'm talking about in reference to my actual setup. It's a continuation play. That's why I said that's all I'm saying. Like, is this a continuation play? That's why I said most often an ad, because it's a continuation.
N of EN.
It's usually after the second high is made. Strong move over said level, pull back to previous high volume high or daily level. Like, that's it. I did not take this on the strength of the one, bro. It looked good on the one, but this was just pure strength, bro. I wanted it to close red, and it closed 4 cents over the level, bro. That's a freaking good read. And same situation. This is the same setup right here. Same setup. This entry's bad. No doubt. Right? But for it to show this strength and break back over that high.
N of
And
EN.
hold it. And maybe not this, because this is just a line I drew for high day, but this is a major daily level. This was the pullback. This is what it looked like on the one. Broke the high. Look at it, pullback. It's pulled back for minutes. Bro. Y'all. So I'm crazy. I'm tripping.
N of EN.
To me, I felt like it was extended because I mean it's already made a really crazy move up to 1150. Already crazy move. But to take out this high and hold it.
AMPL.
And I mean, I didn't add. It's not a 1 minute pull. Bro, it's a wick on the 5. That's a pull. If the candle closed red, then it would have been okay. It's because at 11:55, it decided to move up to, I mean, at 5 seconds before the candle closed, it decided to move up 5 cents. Now, granted, this is not a plus, like as far as, you know, potential. But I'm just saying it's a good idea. Like, it's not like I'm just buying a high day breakout because I'm on tilt, is all I'm saying. Well, I got out, Rob. I just got out because I wanted to take this stupid trade. I mean, it's not a stupid trade. It's probably still gonna work. Somebody just dropped a fat order right here and slapped me. And you know what? That's my bad because I wanted the pullback to 76. And it came to 72 and got bought up. That's what I should have been waiting for the entry, honestly. But but I mean, honestly, I could do without this trade, and I could do without this trade too. Like, you have become knives. Flip over to BFLY and explain that. I mean, same situation. I was just kind of late on the entry. Crazy. I got out of my nice little daily breakout idea for this guy, but I still think it's gonna work. I just okay. So my idea, which I said out loud, was that I liked it here. I wanted the high to come up and break 89. And then I want to pull back to 76. That's exactly what I said. And it went up to 89. I just, you know, I got it after this red candle. And, but if I would have stood on business, I would have got my 89 break, came down to 72, got bought up and closed at 82. And then, you know, could have got in on that candle, stop under the low, and then I'd be sitting here sweating. You have become the thing I hated. Uh, it's cool though. The problem is when you trade really poorly for a long time, you don't feel confident enough to take your ideas. And um yeah, so kind of flippy floppy today. The chat has been influencing me a lot also,
PRVA.
which I mean is a good and a bad thing. Let's do an experiment. Okay, what's your experiment, sir? Is this stock right here? This it's open, and it look like a trash. Look like a trash.
PRVA.
Okay.
PRVA. PRVA.
Say what? The ask going up after the high of day. So you want me to buy a high of day breakout? Is what you're saying. I don't understand. This sound like some Frank stuff. I'm late. It's still at the same price. I'm telling you, Stanford. I don't understand this exercise. This is in a situation that I would never even look at. Yeah, this trade was trash. But look at the price. I mean, it's gone up a penny since we started looking at it. No, just the setup. I'm looking at the setup now. Bought it at resistance basically. Yeah, it's going up. Look at red over here showing out. Okay. Well, bro, it's past 11 o'clock. This is not a stock that I would normally even look at. No, fear my rules stopped me. My rules. Mm, 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 mm. Looks over now. It's too long. Yeah, but the daily's trash, bro. That stock will never come up on my scanner. Yeah, there's like a method though that I like to involve myself in. Just don't trade any random thing that's going up. I guess it might seem that way. Yeah, see, I'm looking for these kind of candles. So I need to. The daily needs to be in a certain situation to have the probability to make this kind of candle. Like, see how everything I was watching today, except for this trash. What is this doing here? I knew I see. So I got this little purple line here. Yeah, this one definitely. I'm gonna give myself a talking to about trading this based on the daily today in my DRC. But everything else that was actually in an uptrend on the daily, really nice extension, right? Like that's literally my scanner's working. My scanner's working. Maybe I need to make this. I wonder if I can do that above the 200 EMA. Thanks, Siege. Down 1R, but it's a good 1R. Maybe not. um, hmm. Yeah, I dislike this trade. I dislike that one. I'm not mad at that one. I'm mad at the daily. That's what I'm mad about. Yeah, this was a really bad daily setup. So close, yet so far. Yeah, that's pretty cool, Red. That's pretty cool. But see, the thing is, man, I, we we all have different personalities, different tolerances for fear and pain and patience, all of those things. So I think we need to curate a strategy that meshes with our mindset, with our thought processes. And so that may be a great thing for you, but I'm just not my mind speaking again. Yeah, I don't know why you think I'm just going to become a level 2 scalper when I have no experience doing that. Like, why would I just completely all right, dude.
EFXT.
10K shares pond. Look at that double bottom at 72. Ah. Yeah, what's up, Golden Goat? Let's talk. No non-playbook trades, no backside. This is good. Yeah. What can I say this pulled back to validate the entry? That's the real thing. I gotta validate the pullback. I told myself that this morning. Like, what can I say? What can I say I bought this off of? I bought it off of excitement and FOMO. Like here, I can say I bought this off of a daily support level, right? Here, I got nothing. Right. Here I can say I bought this off of the 5-minute highest volume of the day, you know, top opening range, previous high, whatever. So I can validate those pullback buys. Same with this one. Okay. Oh, you want to talk about? We can talk about that, Red. I just let me holler at Golden Goat, and we can definitely jump on. That's like my favorite topic to talk about. Also, the hardest one to talk about because can't talk about it with nobody. Big money to sell into your orders. I appreciate that, Siege. It was rough. Yeah, I know you're not an enthusiast, Red.
ARHS.
Hmm. But yeah, that's why I started.
ARHS.
That's why I came in hot with the orb last week or this week because I was like I was seeing that I needed to get in earlier, and I'm like waiting for the pullback, and it had already went up, you know, 20% off the open, and now I'm waiting for a pullback, when I could have got in right here, you know, especially what was this? Invax? Oh my god, bro. This is the best opening rage breakout I've ever seen, maybe. Maybe I've ever seen. 10-cent risk, bro, over 10.30, and it went up to $12. Yeah, I mean, I knew that was gonna be a battle, but it's just a huge difference between this type of opening range and this kind. There's just no RR in that. Hmm. I mean, my goal is to take the mind out of it though, Red, and just trade my system. Like I do all the thinking outside and just wait for stuff to line up and then just take it and be happy with that. Hmm. Yeah, that's pretty sweet pullback there, Pond. On some huge volume on that candle too. 15 looking saucy. Hourly looks good too, actually. Mm-hmm. And look at it. You got the EMA and the high day level. But I don't like this. This looks like more likely it would be a lower high retracement of the down leg. Even though the 15 looks good too. And this is really nice, but I don't know. No, that's what's up. All right, Pond. But one thing though, like I don't think I've seen a single second candle orb fail in this whole last week. They don't all have great RR, but them jokers keep going up. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, it felt much more controlled. Even the dumb trades I took. How many green students do you have out here in the world, Red? Or did you talk them all into quitting? I don't to me I don't feel like the grading system on this daily report card to me. It's like it's so mono to me. Like either you did a good job or you didn't. Like it's either A or F. Like I can't really see any grades in between. Like either you took all playbook trades and did not trade the backside and you got an A, or you did and you got an F. Or maybe if you did one of those things and not the other. But it's kind of the same because backside is not in the playbook. So if you violate this, you violated that. I said, how many profitable students do you have out here in the world, or have they all quit? Man, original stop still holding it down over here. I don't think I'm gonna defend break even anymore. uh, I told myself I was gonna sell 80%, but I probably would have moved my stop to break even. It makes sense. Yeah. Uh, Passing the orb has been my demise. All right. So what's the bad of today? To do the uncomfortable moves. Now I'm taking the uncomfortable moves. They just have to make sense according to my damn knives. Income for life. That's what's up. All right. So am I really mad about this? What's the low? 40, 45, 59, 36, 39, 40, went to 36, low, 38. Yeah, I can't say what I took this trade off of. That's the problem. That's the problem. So, I guess I can do a grade based on how many trades I took. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a lot of trades. And two of them I would say were violation. So 3 out of 5.
thing is late.
Do not look at SM. All right, Roger that. 60%. We'll give that a D. It's pretty bad. I mean, if your whole goal, Red, is to just talk me out, talk me down from this whole thing that I've been building, I mean, like, you're hoping to come back in 7 months and be able to say, "I told you so." Is that what this is about? Eight. Yeah, this is all I really need to just keep focused on right now, is to just validate my pullback. To just have a real reason behind why I think buyers are about to step in right here where I'm about to buy. Not because I want them to, but like, what is the actual thesis? Like, why? Is it because of VWAP? Is it because of a daily level? Like, why? That's my goal for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm cool on that. I'm cool on that mentality, bro. I don't agree with you. I don't agree. I think both of the things are happening. What I'm seeing and what you're seeing are both happening at the same time, but you just think what I'm seeing has nothing to do with what's happening, and I think it does. Cuz bro, I've been watching the patterns happen every day for years, bro. Honestly, probably my first 4 years of doing this, I was by myself and hadn't really talked to anybody about trading, and was just figuring stuff out. Didn't really have um, a professional approach to like locking in a process, and um, just kind of been getting snatched around by the market changing, and just kind of roaming around for a long time, from large caps to mid caps to small caps to from breakouts to low a day, you know, and I really think there was nothing wrong with my first system that I built and felt good about. But the market changed, and I didn't understand that, and I wasn't able to be patient and wade through without making a bunch of changes, and it just started this huge rabbit hole, you know. I'm not mad. I just feel like you're fighting me so hard on what I'm trying to do. Like my pod is seeing how I want to see the market, and they're telling me, "All right, bro, this is how you refine that process. You need to do, you need to compile, you need to get your playbook together. You need to get your rules together. You need to back test, and you need to, have confidence in your approach." And you're like, you're doing it all wrong. Your whole, just like tear it all down. And it's just like, bro, like that's just not what I'm doing. I'm not gonna do that, bro. The orb, man. That's why I want the orb. It's either the orb or the 1 minute chart. And I've been down the 1 minute chart road, and it just kind of seems like um, the problem though, I'm kind of in a new place now because I was trading a lot of junk. Like my daily criteria, like my macro criteria, was out the window. So even though I used to kill the 1 minute chart, but I killed it on catalyst uptrends, and then I just fell down this. It's like you get a few days in a row. I think I remember having just like a few days in a row of the scanner being empty. I remember, and I'm just like, well, damn, like I gotta find something to trade. And so, oh well, let me see what these. That's actually how I first ventured to mid caps, because I was exclusively trading small caps, and it was just dead. And I just went and found, some other scanner or something that started showing me mid caps. And actually, that was actually the best thing that probably happened to me at that point. Um, I started doing really well trading mid caps, and but then those get into lulls too, and then you just start bouncing around. And I just never had like a really firm approach. It was always being molded based on what happened yesterday. Having some great thoughts right now. Hold on. All right. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it's really been, honestly, that, to put it like that, is my system has always changed based on the day before. And it's just been a like, for sure, honestly, till very recently that I've noticed that was even happening. You know, me and Trey always talk about the rabbit hole and how, you know, you just always, oh man, let me try this, and then you just, it's like falling down another rabbit hole of what feels like a small adjustment, but it's really a whole new approach that has nuance and a set of rules that need to be created behind it. And it just be like, it's like inception of just falling through, you know, another level and another level and another level, and just like, bro. And that's why I like recently was like, all right, man, let's put the rules and let's put a date on it, man, so we can just realize how often I'm changing, you know? And it's just every day. And then you would come in the next day after changing and you would fail, and then you would see what you, if you would have just done what you said you was going to do yesterday, today, you'd have probably had a good day. And so it's just like constant churning, man. So yeah, I've been at this for a long time, but that's the thing about mentorship, man. You just be, you think you're making progress, but you need somebody to say, bro, like, bro, stop. You're another change. You know, Knives been real big on me about that, you know, and the chat has been super cool. You know, I get a lot of negative from the chat too, but I've gotten a lot from you guys. Like I've formed a pod from the chat, you know, in the Discord. I got like a crew that's, you know, we check each other. Me and Trey check each other all the time. Like every time we say we about to change something, we drop in the rabbit hole gif, like another change, huh? You know? So um yeah, I understand that too. Ban some. I don't think the strategy is way bigger than 10%. I understand the mindset, but imagine having a bad mindset and a strategy that's changing every day. How can you even, how can you even work on building your mindset when your variables are changing every day? You're not banned, right? You're here. What do you mean? um, yeah, so like I'm just now getting to the point where I'm trying to keep a rigid system so that I can work on my mind, you know. And so you coming in here telling me to change what I'm doing to work on my mind, but I'm literally trying to stand on this thing that I've built so that I can just work on my mind and try to be consistent. I don't, you said 90, mindset is 90% of the problem. I don't think mindset was 90% of my problem. Maybe I mean, in the sense of my approach and chasing a winning trade, chasing the winning trades by changing my strategy every day, you know, not understanding that. But I mean, the way price moves is not that complicated to me. And I've seen my set of rules, and I've seen my set of rules work. Like I see it happen all the time, but I'm always, my mind is just somewhere else. You know, I'm looking at too many different things. I got too many different ideas going through my mind. Easier. Okay. Yeah, if you put creating the strategy inside of that 90%, then I'll lean more towards that. But um my main issue, even if my strategy is not profitable, I wouldn't even know because I have such a hard time consistently trading it every day. And part of that is that it's also the strategy is also changing every day. Just like the market changes every day, my strategy was changing every day. So I'm coming around to this place where I feel like, yeah, I mean, obviously, bro. But like, I mean, what are you telling me to do with my mind? Like most of the days when I fail, either my setup was there and I wasn't patient enough for it, or my setup wasn't there and I did something different. It's not like I'm coming in here doing what I intend to do and it's failing. I'm most of the days when I come in here do what I intend to do, I have a pretty good day. Have I seen Storage Wars? Yeah. Man. Yeah, it's one of them days, T. Yeah, because they don't know what the heck is in there. Oh man, did I is Focus not able to talk? Dang, my bad, bro. My bad, Focus. You gotta hit me in the Discord and tell me to dang, everybody said I was tripping on my Invax itch. My bad, Focus. Nah, you're not banned. I don't know why it doesn't show your posts when I don't have it on. I don't understand why top chat would even be an option. Like I want to see the whole chat. That's ridiculous. I wish there was a way to set that so it always came up as live chat. Yeah, I see you now, Focus. The spouse lady is always stopping the husband from outbidding everyone. Hmm. See, this is where we bump heads, Red. It's almost as if you believe that every person that buys dips or buys support is doing it wrong. Like you're saying it's the mind, but you're really saying it not because of my approach to my own strategy, but because my mind won't let me trade like you want me to trade, which is buying while it's moving up. And I want to buy while it's moving up in the macro, but I want to find those micro pullbacks to find an entry. And I get that that doesn't make sense to you, but I don't get that that doesn't make sense to you. Yeah, see, I told that Invax that this looked like a lower high more than a bounce because this was too long. This is too long of a pullback, and this looked like more of a retracement leg than it was going to be something that was going to make new highs. Good read there. Yeah, I totally get that. That makes a lot of sense to me. Yeah, I mean, that's why I really wanted to add the orb, but it seems like when I threw the orb in, my brain kind of spazzed out. But I've been watching the orb for weeks. And it's basically since I started trading these uptrends, and I would just see them be so explosive off the open and be like, dang, by the time the first pullback happens, like it's so far away. And then I was just like, man, that 5-minute orb though, you know, when the strong move over pre-market high and close, and then a little pullback and break over VWAP, I like that a lot. Oh, I would have paid so well on Invax today. Bananas. Oliver, I don't know Oliver. Yeah, my exit plan is I actually had a great plan for BFLY. I just I let my hope for more change that, but I wanted to sell out at 486. And then I was like, well, what if it keeps going? And so I sold half, and then I was waiting, and then I should have sold more, man. But yeah, definitely shouldn't have got no less. But yeah, like at this point when I'm buying here and I see my level here, like I gotta sell there, because I know, you know, it's probably gonna bump heads and pull back off that level, and I just didn't follow through with my conviction on that. But what was that other one I traded? Oh yeah. Yeah. 2R all or nothing. I ain't going back to that. I'm better than that. It's kind of just I'm there's too many things that are inconsistent, and like finally I'm every day, like pretty consistently I'm trading uptrends. Like this was so hard to do. Like crazy hard to do. Like I remember just being at the end of my trading session and looking at my watch screen and everything's downtrending. And I'm just like, bruh, like none of these went up. And it made a lot of sense why once I finally saw it. But that was a huge problem for me to want to be a trend trader and be looking at downtrends every day is bananas, right? So that's fixed. I think pretty much like my scanner serves them to me. I got my scanner dialed in. It only sends me things with news that have gapped up 10% between 5 and 50. Over 20 million float. So that part is good. Like the stock selection is getting. I'm actually gonna throw another one on there that only serve me things above the 200 EMA. Distance from moving average. Dang, they don't have the 200. They got the SMA 200, not the EMA. What's the big difference, I wonder? Same thing. Okay, cool. Over. All right, that's a nice filter there. Yeah, like that. Yeah, I do tile work red. Man, the 1 minute is so treacherous, bro. I to open that door back, bro. Maybe the 2. Bruh. Only once. I have a customer like that. It has been one day. uh, we're just talking. What do I think hot, bro? Oh yeah, I was real happy, Red. Cause like I was trying to give like a very reasonable price, and I can't remember what it was, but maybe I said 1,500 or something. He was like, "How about I give you 2 grand?" That's better. That's better. This is cool, man. Heck yeah. Your mind will be not happy. What do you mean? What do I think hiding the price action inside 5 minute bar is doing for me? The idea is to keep me more patient and to there's a lot of signals on the one, and it's kind of a trip now thinking about it because so much of what was not working was the fact that I was trading things that weren't in play. No, 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 no. I'm not trading, bro. I'm not trading. We're talking. I'm filling out my DRC. Nah, we're chilling, Pine. We're just rapping. I'm not even thinking about what's happening on the charts, bro. We're rapping. I just added the daily SMA though to my filter though. Nah, we chilling. Yeah, but I was trading a lot of what was in play. Actually, stock selection has been my biggest issue for sure. So it is it's a different game right now. But I'm like traumatized from the one, man. I hate covering it. I had it up yesterday or day before yesterday. Yeah, it does a lot, Golden. And what happens is I once it goes up so much, and now I'm feeling FOMO. It's already made the expected move, and now I'm still trying to get in it because now I want it to make another expected move. I want it to double the expected move for me. Hmm. Hmm. Why you do that, man? But that's my approach though. It's not like my brain's not calculating right. It's you're saying my approach is not in line. I guess you can relate everything to my mind and fold it all into your 90%. Yeah. I appreciate it, Golden Gold. Very thoughtful, man. Very thoughtful ideas. Well, I feel like that's like a level that you arrive at some point. I don't think I can just come in tomorrow and be like, all right, I'm not calculating anything. I'm just going to execute, you know? I can't just do that. Yeah, that's definitely the goal. That's definitely the goal. That's why I tried to make my entry criteria more by numbers, like if this then that. And so if it does this, I'm just gonna hit the button. I'm not gonna think about how wide the candle is or all the other stuff. I'm just gonna, hey, if it does this, I'm gonna hit the button. But it's just so many variables, man. Hmm. Yeah, man. Gotta bring the horse before the cart or cart before the horse. Whatever that saying is. I've been trying to tell y'all. It's that's all in the name. I'm still at level 1 here, guys. I hope level 1. Could still be in the prelude, the preface. All right, man. It's late as heck. I gotta get out of here, y'all. Thanks for hanging out, man. It's good to not have a terribly red day. And you guys hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. I'll be posting my DRC later today in the Discord and get a review video up. Try to consolidate all these thoughts from today. Just hard-headed. Appreciate it, Golden Goat. All right, y'all. Y'all be easy, man. Peace.